Cheers to you reuniting with your mother.
Cheers to that.
Good. How is she?
I gave her a bath. She's in and out of sleep. She won't eat nothing. She ain't talking. But I want to keep her in that room for a couple days because I want to detox her as much as I can.
You know, back home in Jamaica, they taught me a remedy, herbal remedy, to cure all of that. Make her back in tip-top shape now. But I'm still sorry that you find her in that condition. Must have been tough, you know?
You know, a wise man once told me that a diamond comes from the rough, but it'll always shine. I'm gonna make sure my mama shine.
No. We are gonna make sure your mother shine. Me tell you that. I've been observing you, and I see that you've been having it hard lately. You don't have to carry all that weight by yourself. And I said I was with you, Diva. I meant it.
Angel, I don't want you to feel obligated to have to do anything else. You have done enough for me. And I appreciate everything you've done.
The thing is, I haven't even started, not even close to what I'm capable of. You have to just relax. Leave your stress on me. And I'll make sure everything is better. Me tell you that. So, in times like these, there's a reason I'm here. You know? You don't have to worry anymore.
Wait, Angel, hold on now. You do not need to be doing that.
I'm sorry. Just got caught up in the moment. No. I respect you. And I want you. And I have to play no more.